Okay, so I went to the washroom just now and I looked at my makeup and I scared myself. I thought I saw a ghost. That's how bad this look. I know I have lights that doesn't make this look bad on camera, or I probably just need to, when I edit, I probably want to see how bad it looks. But I scared myself in the bathroom and yeah. Um I'm so done with this look. This video. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Layne. Today I have a brand new video and I'm excited for this video. I know I said it a lot, but today's video I'm excited for because I'll be doing another full face challenge video, and I'll be doing a full face challenge using my older sister makeup. Let me tell you guys, my sister is 2 shades lighter than I am, or how much shade lighter than I am, and that means her foundation shades is going to be lighter, her powder shades are going to be lighter. I think she has that in there, and she is not a makeup addict, junkie, and collector like I am, so she has a limited stuff. And also she has some stuff that I gave her that I didn't like personally, or it didn't match my complexion. So this will be interesting. If you want to see how this turned out, keep on watching. Okay guys, so my brows are done. The brow pencil that I use is this ColourPop pencil right here in the shade dark black and brown. And I also use some of the Makeup Revolution Define and Conceal Concealer. And that's what I use to shape my brows and clean them up. I know they're looking a little weird. They have their mind on their own, but this is the best we're gonna do, and this is how they're gonna look for the rest of this video. So the next thing that I like to do is go in with a primer. The primer that my sister owned is this primer here. It's by Laura Geller. It's called Spackle, with this one right here. And she also have the Fenty Beauty primer. So the Fenty Beauty primer is my primer that I give to her because I found one that I absolutely love more better than this. So we're gonna go ahead and use this. Okay, so I guess there's not that much primer in here. We're gonna let her know she's running low on that primer. So we're gonna go ahead and apply the Fenty Beauty primer. Like I said, I found a primer that I like better than this. Like when I purchased this primer, this was my go-to primer. But I finally discovered the Becca Poreless primer, and absolutely love that, and it works super good for my oily skin. So that is the primer that I am using. So this is the foundation that my sister owns. She has the e.l.f. Foundation. This is the one that I did a review on that I gave to her because it's her shade and not my shade. And then she has the Fenty Beauty foundation also in the shade, let's see, 410. I also have the Fenty Beauty foundation and I have it in the shade 440. So that is a good 3 shade difference right there. 2 shade difference, whatever. There's 2 shades in between our shades. So we are going to see how this works out. Okay guys, so this is her Fenty Beauty foundation shade on the back of my hand. As you guys can see, this is way too light for me. So this is going to be the challenge in this foundation. So I'm going to go ahead and apply it to my skin. I feel that I should go in with my Morphe M439 brush. Okay guys, so this is one layer of the foundation. It doesn't look that bad. You could definitely see that I look ashy and this is not my foundation shade. And I feel like it didn't cover much because it's not my shade obviously, so it didn't do much covering. So I'm gonna go back in with some of the foundation on the back of my hand. One thing about this, I feel like it was really hard to blend out. Like I needed to like spray my brush or something. Like I felt it was way too like hard to blend out. I don't know if it's just because of the shade and it's not my shade that it seemed like it was hard to blend out. But yeah, I'm gonna go in with some more of this foundation and try to cover up some spots that is showing. I don't think we're gonna get much coverage because this is not my shade of foundation. Okay, so we're gonna move on to concealer, and the concealer that she has is this concealer. This is the Makeup Revolution concealer. You guys know I do not like this concealer, and this is in the shade C12. I gave her this one because I used it on her for her birthday, and it worked with her. It wasn't dry under her eyes. It looked really nice, and it was a good color for her, shade match for her, so I gave it to her. Like, the foundation wasn't bad enough. And we're gonna go ahead and apply this concealer, and I'm super scared because I hate this concealer. It's not for me. And yeah, we're gonna go ahead and highlight. I'm gonna use as little as possible. I don't think I need to use that much concealer, so I'm gonna go ahead and highlight where we usually conceal our face. Okay, so I already applied the concealer, and my face does not look good at all. This foundation, this concealer, is definitely starting to set in some fine lines and pores, and it just looks like it's just sitting on my skin. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and set the concealer, and the powder that I'm using is the same powder I use, is the RMCA powder. That's what my sister used. I shared some with her. Oops, making a mess. So I'm just gonna go ahead and lightly set that powder. But before we do that, we're gonna go ahead and apply some concealer on top of our lid so we could start with our eyeshadows. And I'm gonna use that same concealer. Okay, so for eyes, she has two palettes. She has these two right here. This one is from BH Cosmetic. I think she bought it off of Ulta, and this is one is from the brand Ulta from Ulta. This one, as you guys can see, it also has like a face kind of. So it has like a face thing going on here with like contour, blush, and stuff like that that's in there. And she also has this right here, some eyeshadows. Probably gonna work with this, and she also have this one from BH Cosmetics with some eyeshadows as well. So we're gonna see which palette we're gonna use. I'm not sure exactly. This one has some neutrals. Remind me of the Kylie palette, basic colors. You know, I might use a transition from here. And then she has this one right here, and they're really nice color. I think I might do a halo eye, maybe not. Probably do something fun, but I'm not sure. I'm not sure what to do. So I'm gonna go in with this BH Cosmetic eyeshadow first, and I'm gonna use this brown shade as my transition color. And yeah. So this BH Cosmetic shadow is not bad that she has. It has a really nice pigment. I'm using this color as my transition color. It looks really nice. and it has a lot of pigment, I would say. So now going in with this palette, I'm going to use this brown right here, and I'm going to use it on the outer part of my eye. Okay, so I really want to go in and put this blue on the lid, but I'm super scared of using this color. So I think that I'm going to go ahead and use this copper color right here. Okay guys, so I don't know at what point my camera shut off, but I went ahead and finished up my eyes. So we're going to move on to contouring. We definitely need to bring some life back into our Casper Flashback Mary face that we have going on right now. I am not loving it. My skin looks really bad. The concealer is starting to crease under my eyes, and we need to contour. She does have a contour kit right here, and this is by Ulta. So in this contour kit, she has a variety of contour shades. Thank God, because we need to bring some life back into our face. So we have a dark enough contour shade for me. I know she has a powder, and I'm not even going to try using that powder. Since I use the Fenty Beauty, I don't think I need powder, which is good because that powder would not help this makeup whatsoever. So we're just going to go ahead and contour with our contour kit palette right here. I'm going to use the darker shade right here. I'm also going to go in with some of this golden bronzer right here and goddess bronzer. Both of these shade right here. I don't want to go in with too of a dark contour because, yeah. So I know she has a powder, a setting powder for the face, but we're not going to go ahead and use that. It's just going to make this makeup even worse, and it's probably a foundation powder. I know it was a MAC powder that I bought that I thought it was my shade, but it's not. So I gave it to her and she uses it, but I don't have it here, and I'm not going to go ahead and search for it. So we're just going to not use that. I think my face is fine, and I was able to bring back a little bit more life into my face with the contour, which was a plus. Thank God she had a contour kit with available shades for me. So yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and apply some eyeliner and mascara, and I'm gonna use my own. Okay guys, so I already have my mascara on, so we're gonna go ahead and use blush. You guys know I do not use blush, but my sister has two Maybelline Fit Me blushes right here. So this blush is in rose and this one is in peach, so rose and peach. I think I'm gonna go with the peach one. As far as the color payoff, I don't see any, but it gave me a nice little highlight sheen on my cheeks. So we're going to leave it as that. We're going to go ahead and apply some highlight. And I'm going to go ahead and use this highlight on the top, which is the Radiance highlight. It's like a rose, a light champagne rose color. It looks quite ashy to me. It just looks like ash. What is she doing? Okay, so we're going to go ahead and this palette right here, and we're gonna go ahead and use this highlight instead, because that one just looked like straight ash and we're not about that life. And we're gonna go ahead and apply this one looks less ashy, so we're gonna go ahead and apply this instead. We're gonna go ahead into lips. She has a lot of lip liners. I don't even know what lips I'm gonna go for. So right here she has 2 lingerie liquid lipstick from NYX also. She has in the shade, let's see, she has Seduction and she has French Maid. One is more of a nudie peach color and one is more of a mauvey nudish pinkish color. I'm not sure. She has 5 lip liners. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and use this NYX lip liner in brown, and I think that we might go with Seduction. I don't know. So I'm gonna go ahead with the liquid lipstick in the shade Seduction. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. This is the full face of me using my sister's makeup. As far as the eyes and the lips, I think that came out really good. The contour looks really good, but with a bad foundation, literally the foundation was not working. The shade was definitely off. Like I said, I am a 440 in the Fenty Beauty foundation and she is a 410. That is a 2 shade difference in between our shade right there, a 2-3 shade difference, however you want to count that. And yeah, you could definitely see I look like Casper the Friendly Ghost. I look like Flashback Mary. Yeah, I think that this makeup turned out really good, minus the foundation, minus the base of this whole makeup look. Definitely was some fun to use and see what my sister has, work with her makeup instead of, you know, mine that I am used to. I'm touching my hair, I'm so sorry. But yeah, I'm definitely know she's gonna have a laugh when she sees this video. And yeah, I know you guys are probably laughing at me, but I think that this makeup looks really good if you take away the foundation shade and me looking really ghostly. Yeah, this is the final look. This looks really cute. I think I like it. Yeah, so I'm super happy that she had a few versatile makeup in her collection, so it was easy for me to work with my skin tone and stuff like that. Okay guys, so this is it. This is the finished look of this full face makeup using my sister's makeup. And if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. If you guys want to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Click that notification bell to be notified when I upload a new video. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!